Good day, ever Johnny. My name is Diego Fabián Yoto Ayala. I currently live in Peru, and I am Peruvian. Duck white rice is one of my favorite dishes, as are nucleus. There are some vegetables I don't eat much, such as onion and tomatoes, and some legumes like lentils, etc. I enjoy listening to pop music, and I like to live being where I listen. My hobbies are exercise and playing games, and I also like to read interesting things. I dislike dancing and talking about people. The important point is that I have a degree in industrial engineering. Why I why me apply to this project? You can count on me for any question. Select word as a time rather than who's in a grow. Take out from me. Thank you very much for your time.